amount of time. These rainfall...
Now that's what I call an SVR.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Stafford County in Northern Virginia, Eastern Orange County in Central Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in Central Virginia, Southeastern Fauquier County in Northern Virginia, Southeastern Culpeper County in Northern Virginia, Spotsylvania County in Central Virginia, until 7 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northwest of Fredericksburg to 10 miles north of Mineral, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stafford, Fredericksburg, Aquia Creek, Massaponax, Spotsylvania, Falmouth, Stones Corner, Mine Run, Roseville, Verdiersville, Locust Grove, Flat Run, Snell, Ramoth, Partlow, Heflin, Dunavant, Lake of the Woods, Cookstown and Goldvine. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.